When your subject does not contain any white, here is a quick way of removing the white in DaVinci Resolve. We have a butterfly on a white background. First, we duplicate the clip by holding the Alt or Option key. From the Inspector panel, we can change the composite mode of the top clip we just duplicated to foreground. Next, we select the original clip and change the composite mode to Inverted Luma. There you go, we successfully removed the white background. Most probably, the subject will be a tiny bit transparent. To fix that, we select the bottom clip and right-click to open up the context menu. We can now create a compound clip from it. When we create a compound clip, the composite mode will be reset to normal, so let's change that back to Inverted Luma. We can now go to the Color tab and switch to the Curve section. Move the left curve until the subject becomes completely black. To switch between the clip preview and the composition preview, you can use the highlight switch above the preview. That looks perfect. Let's switch back to the Edit tab, and as you see, we have a perfect white background removal. Pretty awesome. Thanks for tuning in and see you in the next video.